Example 2. A regular octagon is an 8-sided polygon with side lengths that are all equal. All 3 octagons are scale drawings of each other. Use the chart and the side lengths to compute each scale factor as a percent. How can we check our answers? All right, so we're going to find scale factors between these different drawings. And to do that, you're going to need to copy down the chart that is also on your Canvas page. Now, as we're doing this, we're starting at drawing 1, or whatever's listed first, and going to drawing 2. So we're going from our whole to our part. So I'm going to go through and label all of these whole and part. And then I'm going to list out each of those measurements in my table, so I know which one goes where in my formula. So up here, I'm going to write that my part equals my percent times my whole. Okay, so I'm going to do drawing 1 and this first row and the second row, and then I'm going to pause it and fill in the rest of this and then let you check your answers from there. And if you have questions, you can make sure and ask during class. So drawing 1's measurement is 10 and drawing 2's measurement is 12. So drawing 1 is 10 and drawing 2 is 12. So 12 equals my percent times my whole. I'm going to divide by 10, and I get that my percent is equal to 1.2, which when I turn that into a percent is 120. Now, how we can check our answers and an equation to illustrate the relationship, we can take our whole of 10, times it by our scale factor, and that should give us our part. Okay, let's do this next one. So drawing 1 is still 10, drawing 3 is 8. So 8 equals percent times 10. We're going to divide by 10. I get that my percent would be equal to 8/10. When I change this to a percent, it would be 80%. So to check our work and to show this relationship, we would take our whole of 10, times it by our scale factor of 0.8, and we would get a side length of 8. So I'm going to pause this and fill in the rest of this table, and then you can check your answers from there. All right, I would suggest that you pause the video at this point and check all of your work and make sure that all of your equations and work turn out to be the same as mine.